Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Katie if you're new. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. What it do? So I am back again with another install video for you guys, and it is on this gorgeous 5x5 unit, and this is a bohemian curly unit from LUVME Hair. You can see the curls are given really effortless, very airy and cute. Really love that. And as you can see, no baby hair action, literally just a really simple and easy install. And yeah, so if you'd like to see how I install this unit and achieve this effortless look, keep on watching. Hey guys, so we're back again with another install video, and today I'll be working with LUVME Hair. So these are the bits and bobs that comes in the packaging, and today I'll be working with the 5x5 lace closure unit. This is bohemian curly texture, and it is 22 inches and 150% density. So to start off the install, I went in to just define the part a little bit, as I will be doing a middle part. So yeah, so I used my Kerache wax stick, applied that onto the hair, and then used my hot comb to just press down the hair to make sure everything is flat and nice before heading into installing the wig. So I went in with my cuticle scissors and just sectioned the lace, and then went in with my eyebrow razor to cut off the excess lace. I'm making sure to cut the lace as close as possible to the hairline. This just gives it a more natural look. And yeah, so I'll be doing that for both sides. I just like working in sections. I just feel like it makes my installs easier, and it just prevents me from making any mistakes and stuff. So yeah, I then go on to add a bit of foundation onto the lace. I use the Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Ebony Brown, which is slightly darker than I am. I just find that it gives a better melt when you use a cream product that is slightly darker. So I also went in with my root spray and my edge brush, as I did over bleach the knots. So this is basically a quick fix to that problem. So yeah, whenever you over bleach your knots, just get a root spray, and yeah, and you'll be good. So I'm just adding a bit of concealer onto the parting space, just to make it more visible. And as I did not use any sort of adhesive for this install, I went in with my foaming mousse and applied that onto the lace, the edge of the lace. And then I'll use my elastic band and leave that on for a couple of minutes and take it off. This just gives it a better melt. And yeah, and I went back in with the hot comb just to make sure everything is flat and neat, and to get rid of any flyaways, that's it, any flyaways, and yeah. So once I'm done with styling, I go over to basically defining the curls on the hair again. I used my foaming mousse. I just applied a little bit of it onto the wig. As you can see, it's just the top that needs to be defined, as the bottom was already defined. So I just applied a little bit and saturated that onto the bit that needed it, and used my finger to basically just finger comb it and rub the product into the hair a bit more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just went back in with the hot comb just for final touches and to make sure everything is nice and sleek and looking good. Yeah, so this unit was really easy to install, very simple, very beginner friendly. Literally didn't take me a lot of time, and I absolutely love the fact that it is completely glueless. I really love that. Right guys, so this is the final look. This is how the unit is looking. It was pretty easy to install. It didn't take too long, which I'm always happy about. And as you can see, this blended in pretty good. It's looking really nice. And yeah, so with this unit you can wear it glueless or with glue. So in this occasion I decided not to use any glue, as you can see. No glue. So yeah, I absolutely enjoyed installing this. The curl pattern is very different for me. I believe this is the Bohemian curly wig, and yeah, so the curls are looking very effortless and we're here for it. And I'm really here for this lace, guys, how well it blended in. Like, just to show you all, not glued. And literally, we love that. I love a unit that you can just pop on and go. Literally one of the best inventions, I'd say. But yeah, so let me run you guys through the specs real quick. So this is a 22-inch 5x5 on detectable lace front unit. This is also the Bohemian curly wig, and I believe this is 150% density. I don't think this is 180 because it is more towards the natural side, but it's still cute. It's pretty cute. Let me show you guys the length of it, and this is basically where it stops on me. And yeah, this is pretty cute. So I also decided not to do any baby hairs as usual. I really love doing installs with no baby hair sometimes, well, most of the times to be honest. But yeah, this is pretty much super easy, definitely beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner and you're looking for an easy unit to just pop on and go, make sure you check down below for the link to this unit, because this is very, very cute. Really love it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll make sure to leave all the specs and details down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Thanks to LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for clicking on and hanging out with me today. If you did find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell just so you get notified whenever I make an upload. And that is all from me today. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one.